This video will demonstrate how to open an Excel workbook. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged into your Outlook 365. Once you're logged in, there will be some icons located on the left-hand side. For Excel, you're looking for this large letter X and a green app. Once you locate it, click it one time. X stands for Excel. At the top will change to reflect Excel workbooks, which you can open. Typically, you want to open a new workbook if that is your desire. Otherwise, you can open existing Excel workbooks that are located under recommended. But for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and open a new workbook. Click on the new workbook icon, and it opens right into an Excel workbook with rows and columns. Letters are horizontal, numbers are vertically. The commands are located right above that. When you have completed your workbook, you can close it. Just at the top, hover until you see File, and then choose the Close window. This concludes the demonstration on how to open an Excel workbook.